Now let's start by understanding what is freedom and what is denying our freedom. Ramana Maharshi would have said, to get to freedom, all you need to do is stay quiet, be silent, and ask the question. Look into the inquiry. Who am I? Our jail, our tiny jail cell, is the belief that this body-mind, which includes thoughts, includes emotions, it includes the physical sensations, that is me. That is as far as it gets from the truth. If you follow his words and sit still, sit quiet, and just observe the happenings, just see all that comes forward. It includes body sensations, it includes the sound, it includes the thoughts that are coming forward in our minds. And all you have to do is to ask the question, who am I? This question, not as a mantra, as a deep inquiry, this question will lead you, it would lead all of us to see that everything that is happening, it doesn't matter whether I feel my body sensation, whether I feel my hand moving, slight breeze of wind, or I hear a sound or a thought. It's all just happening. One would say a random happening. The other would say a karmatic happening. But it doesn't really matter. All that matters is to know that whatever is happening, we are not it. We are the awareness in which everything is happening, as if we are the containers of the happenings. And it doesn't matter really you feel a sensation or you hear a sound or there's a thought. It is all happening within awareness. And if we look closely, we would be able to see that they are all the same. And it is possible to observe the happening without getting entangled in them, which means they can just happen by their own. There is no doer that is actually doing. And if we want to practice it, all we have to do, and it's so simple, but it's the hardest thing of all, is every time we get entangled into something, into a thought, into the thought of, oh my God, when will this meditation be over? When will the bell ring? Or even much worse, oh my God, this meditation is amazing. I'm seeing stars. I'm floating. Yeah, maybe I'll open my eyes for a second to see if I'm floating. Well, either way, it is the awareness getting caught on the mind. And now the mind is leading the way. And it can lead us to whenever. once the mind gets a grip and we're just going after the shepherd, we're becoming the sheep. And then we find ourselves slaves to the mind. Sometimes you can feel, oh my God, I have an amazing day. Wait until tomorrow. Wait for 5 minutes. It will change. Everything is constantly changing. And the mind has the tendency to grab a hold of things. So when we sit quietly and observing, all we have to remember is I am here, or awareness is here. There is awareness. If we can be with that and let life happen, nothing can affect us. The awareness is unaffected by anything. It is always there. It is always perfect. Every time we get caught, every time we're lost in thoughts, all we have to do is come back to I am here. Awareness is here. And we will get lost again and again. But to be in freedom is to go back to that point over and over until you will see every tiny bit of mind tricks that the mind is playing, how the mind is taking you this way or that way. It's so subtle. Every time you think you're on the right track, some, majestical stars will appear, Buddha will appear, God will appear, and you just get caught up on the next thing. And the mind is leading the way. I am here. Look at what is happening without getting entangled in it. Let life happen. Let the river of life flow. And just sit and observe it. It is beautiful. Let's enjoy freedom together.